If you want to get your first high-ticket client, just do this. This is literally it. I made 1K in 1 hour when I closed my first high-ticket client. And today I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. All you have to do is follow this 5-step process and you can close a high-ticket client. It's really simple and it's free. Step 1 is 3 parts. So first you got to create your offer. Number 1, start with who. Who do you want to help? Make it specific and that way you can charge them more. And you help them better. So here's some examples of some who people you can target. You're smart, so you can work with these. You could help aspiring fantasy novel authors, remote payroll managers, or introverts doing door-to-door sales. Next, for part 2, you need to know their dream. What would they pay you for $1,000? Or what would they pay you $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 for? What would they pay you that much to help them with? Because it's that important to them. Choose one of these 4 categories: health, wealth, relationships, and pain avoidance. So for aspiring fantasy novel authors, you can help them write the best opening to their book so that readers keep reading. For remote payroll managers, you can help them become a leader that their employees actually respect. And for those introverts, you could help them actually eliminate the pressure in sales permanently. And then part 3 is just finding what keeps them up at night. This is the big pain that they don't want to face. And if they work with you, they'll be able to get around it. So in your Skool community, make a poll with 3 to 5 options. Make them about the things that your members don't want to face that you already know because you've talked to them, and ask them what they really, really don't want to do to have to be successful. And add another option in there to tell them to make a comment, and that way you get a full display of what everyone doesn't want to do. Now, if your community is really small or your members don't reply, then what you can do is actually reach out to them, send them a message, or find some other way. But you got to talk to the people you want to help to figure out their who, their dream, and their pain. And then when you have draft 1 of these 3 things figured out, make an offer with this framework. I help who get dream without pain. So here's a full example. I help dine-in restaurant owners in Brooklyn increase food quality without decreasing their profit margin. Now it's time for step 2, actually get feedback. So now you've talked to your people, maybe you asked them about the pain, the dream, and the who, but it's time to get actual feedback now that you've put it together. Now, I need you to get 20 people, so 20 people, and actually get feedback on your offer now that you've put it together. Use the framework I help who get dream without pain and get feedback on it from your people. Talk to 20 of them. Get on a call. Say, what do you think? Does this resonate with you? What are your other ideas? You can find them in your Skool community. You can find them in other groups that you hang out in, that they hang out in, because that's the people you're trying to help, not people that are like you. Unless those are the same, then great. You can also talk to people you know in real life, just your friends and family, if you don't have anyone else to talk to, and get their feedback. And then this is the most important part, actually change it. Don't keep it what it was. You got to change it. You got to talk to people and make it what they want. Because you can still give the same thing in the end, you give the same kind of coaching or the same done-for-you service, but you're selling them what they want. And you'll get that result through what you're doing, but you don't buy the plane flight, you buy Hawaii. Now, step 3, you got to get leads for free. Let me show you how to do that. So the first way to do that is talk to those 20 people you talked to before. If you've got an offer, they told you what they want, now just talk to them and sell them, show them I can do this, I can help you with it. And if they're really, really interested, they'll sign on with you. And that's how you get your first clients. And then you find 90 more per day or 100. I did this with 30 per day and I got my first high ticket client in 7 days. You can do it. You just got to talk to people. I know it's scary, but you'll be okay. They don't bite. Tell 30 people a day, at least, maybe 90, maybe 100, but at least 30. And when you find them, send them a loom. Send them a video of you talking about what they want, how you're answering their questions, and just tell them that way. I just recorded my screen and my face, and I just answered people's questions that they had in the groups that I found. It's most effective if you do it in groups where your client hangs out the most. That way other people will see it. Now here's how you find people to reach out to. You go into influencers' posts, and on their comments and in their followers, those are the people that you message or that you comment on and just ask questions and interact with. And just give value. You gotta give value. Value, value, value. Now do this until you can outsource it, and then you can focus on coaching and the highest leverage long-term method of reaching people, which is content. Step number 4 is just to get on calls. When you're talking to people, just ask questions. Get on calls. Say, do you want to brainstorm for 10 to 15 minutes, this thing we've been talking about? And on these calls, just ask about their goals, their pains, and their experiences, and then ask if they want your one-on-one help. Charge $1,000 per month, but give them unlimited coaching with you. Most people don't really book more than 1 time a week, but if you give the option, it's a lot more valuable. Value, value, value. So here's the real secret to making unlimited coaching work. As you begin to coach your clients in the beginning, you'll come up with processes and ways you help them. So you create tools, you create spreadsheets, you create step-by-step documents that go through everything that they need to do the thing they're trying to do. And then based on the information in there and the questions you put in there for them to ask themselves, look at the same result as if they actually spoke with you. So have them try that at first. You might not be great at giving them the right questions, so you got to make sure they get the result. And if they can't get the result, like definitely jump on a call with them and like make sure they get the result faster. But if you can give them a tool, great. Getting results is the real key. And if you don't feel worthy enough to charge 1K a month at the beginning, then you can start with 1K for 3 months. But don't make it any cheaper than that. It's really just not worth it. It's not worth your time. It's not worth the effort. It's not worth the sales process and all the energy. Your time is actually worth that much because you can never get it back. The same goes for your clients, and that's what they're paying you for. They're paying you so that you can save them time. Step 5 is to deliver results. Like, just help them do the thing. That's it. You just got to do it. You got to practice at it and get better and better. When I started, I sucked. I still suck, but I suck less. You might be there too. Just keep helping people and get better every time. And then increase your price until it hurts and increase it a little bit more. What you have to offer is a lot more valuable than you think. And then you just repeat steps 1 through 5. Nail your offer. Actually get feedback on it. Tell everyone about it next, and then get on calls with people, get clients, and then deliver amazing results. It's that simple, but it's not that easy. So here's the cheat code so you can skyrocket your success. This is the free client cheat code. This is how you can get clients for free, and it's a lot easier than doing 4 to 6 hours every day of outreach. Here it is. Once your client gets a win, just ask them this: which 3 people do you know who could use what I just helped you with? Then have your client send a text to them with you included in it, and then you follow a proven DM script. Now, if you want the exact DM script and high-ticket sales call script that I use, you just join my free community and you'll get the scripts as well as the world's fastest high-ticket course that I created. Just click the link in the description, or don't, that's fine too.